we're about to do a fun trick that has a lot to do with science, so stick around to learn more. And if you want to do more fun tricks like this, be sure to check out the books below in the product description. Alright, are you guys ready for an experiment?
Yeah!
Okay, so first I'm going to put just one dab of food coloring to make the water that we're using visible to the camera. Can you stir it, please? Good.
Oh,
You can stop. Alright, now I'd like you to take this glass of water and just pour it into this bowl.
Something's going to.
All the way. Good. So what happened?
Nothing?
Well, it just went right into the bowl, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me get a little more water.
I think it might stack up.
Alright, we're gonna put, well, we can use green in the next one, but we're gonna put a dash of this and I'll stir it up again. We're just making it easier to see the water. Okay, now this time I'm gonna put a card on top of this and then I'm gonna try to pour it in. What do you think is gonna happen?
It's not going to work.
What do you mean?
It's because objects can't go through other objects.
Okay, so let's see. I'm putting it here.
It's spewing.
Yeah, but the water looks sort of like it's floating, right?
Yeah.
So the reason why this works is that the air pressure that's under the card keeps the water inside the glass. It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, do you want to pour it in there?
Yep.
You want to do a green one? Okay.
But the cow is it don't wet.
Yeah, the card does get wet.
But it
Put a
doesn't
green one.
like get too wet.
All right, just one drop is probably enough.
Enjoy.
Good job.
Good job.
All right, can you let Emma have the spoon and she can stir
Mix
it?
it. Mix it. What's gonna happen?
All right. Do you want to try it with the card? Okay.
I think it's going
So
to
we're going to put
mix.
the card. Do you want to help me turn it over? All right, now look. Pretty cool, right? What happens if you pull the card out?
Yellow. Oh,
Yeah, good job, guys.
water.